I had a client charged with third offense OUI in the Dedham District Court, and we won the case and he was found not guilty. What happened was he was pulled over for erratic operation, had crossed over the double yellow lines, and had eventually pulled over. The officer said that his speech was slurred, and the officer said that he failed the field sobriety test at the side of the road. Now, this was a third offense, and so my client was facing a mandatory 5 months in jail. And the prosecutor did not offer anything in the case, didn't offer to reduce it, so we had no choice but to go to trial on the case. When I cross-examined the officer, I brought up all the things that my client had done correctly. My client had no problem opening the door, he had no problem getting out of the car, he was polite and cooperative, and also it helped, I think, in this case that he didn't give the officer any problem, and I was cordial with the officer beforehand, so the officer didn't take this personally and didn't really try to bury my client when he testified. So what happened was I waived the jury and I had a judge decide the case, and the judge found my client not guilty. And because my client had refused the breath test, he had a 5-year loss of driver's license. After I argued to the judge that my client had no criminal offenses other than his previous OUIs, and I pulled out his driving history, which was fairly good over the past 10 years, the judge also reinstated my client's driver's license. If you've been charged with an OUI and you need help, give us a call at 781-380-7730.